Welcome to this mindful moment. Eating is an opportunity to nourish your body while nourishing your mindfulness practice. You can do this practice in any position, but it is helpful to stay still while eating. This minimizes unnecessary stimulus and helps you focus on the experience. You can do this with any food, but I recommend starting with something simple, like raisins, berries, or a few of your favorite vegetables. Begin by taking the food in visually. Notice the colors, shapes, and sizes. As you look at the food, notice the urge to start eating. There is nothing wrong with hunger, but allow the cravings to come and go. Return to the sight of the food. Next, investigate the smell of the food. Some foods may have stronger aromas than others, and you may have to hold the food up to your nose. Be present for the experience of smelling. When the mind begins craving, just return to the smell in front of you. Before eating, take a brief moment to appreciate the energy that went into its production. People worked to grow this food and bring it to you. Nature provided nutrients, rainwater, and sunshine. Maybe somebody cooked, cleaned, or packaged it for you. Bring into your mind all the energy from various sources that came together to create this meal. Now slowly pick up the food. If you are using any utensils, tune in to the experience of touch as you feel the utensil. Mindfully feel how the food or utensil feels in your hand. Is the food stiff, soft, cold, or warm? As you put the food in your mouth, notice the desire to chew and swallow quickly. Instead, start by feeling the temperature of the food. Holding the food in your mouth, can you feel the shape? As you begin chewing, notice the texture of the food. Does it change as you continue to chew? Notice the flavors. Notice how the flavors change over time, how they bloom and develop as you slowly chew. You may have a hard time doing more than simply labeling what you're eating, such as, it's a raspberry. Try to dig a little deeper. Are there multiple flavors present? Pay attention to the changing flavors as you continue to chew. When you swallow your bite, tune in to the experience of swallowing. What does it feel like as the food moves down the throat? You may also notice the desire to quickly have another bite. Pause and notice if any flavor remains in the mouth for a moment. You can continue eating like this, reminding yourself to slow down and be present. Continue to check in with the sights, smells, tastes, feelings, and thoughts that arise as you eat. And when you finish eating, allow yourself to feel gratitude for the food that is nourishing your body. Let the mind relax into a state of appreciation for the energy and life. Thank you for this mindful moment.